Where's the drums?
Shining like a Fifth Avenue diamond, and they don't make you like they used to. You're never going out of style. Ooh, pretty baby, this world might have gone crazy. The way you saved me, who could blame me when I just wanna make you smile? I wanna do you like Michael, I wanna kiss you like Prince. Let's get it on like Marvin Gaye, like Hathaway. Write a song for you like this. You're over my head, I'm out of my mind, thinking I was wrong in the wrong time. Let's start on rewind. Everything is so throwbacky. I kinda like it how you're out of my league. Old school chic, like a movie star. Up a silver screen, you're one of a kind.
Got the bag on my teeth. He put Fendi all on my feet. I leave stains all on his sheets. He know better than to fuck around. No bitch fucking with me. I won't hesitate to get a piece.
My homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta. Smoking on the table, liquor blunt, don't give a damn. Don't choke your fingers or what we see, just tryna get ahead. Staying up with the band.
I want you to smile today.
But I don't feel like smiling.
Well, it doesn't matter how you feel inside, you know? It's what shows up on the surface that counts. Take all your bad feelings and push them down, all the way down.
Tell me, why'd you have to go and make things so complicated? I see the way you're acting like you're somebody else, gets me frustrated.
You've been on my mind, girl, like a drug. Oh, Ophelia, heaven help a fool falls in love.
I always try, but in my eyes, I can fly. Better run next time. Better run next time.
We got the straight and out to do. And I'm gonna miss you like a child.
Nothing else could be quite as awesome as when I'm soaring through the air. So here we go, and we're gonna take it slow. We're ready now to touch the sky. This must be how it feels to fly. I'm on cloud nine. I'm on cloud nine. This must be how it feels.
5, 6, 7, 8. Dance with me in my backyard, boy. Looking super fine in your corduroy. Drive me round the block, we can go in a loop, and we'll turn the vibe up on some good boy band tunes. I feel the fresh air, I can feel your eyes staring. I'm not gonna lie, I get a little bit scared. My heart is on wings and living in dreams, and at the top of our lungs we see. Everything is perfect. All our words were worth it.
But I hate you, I really hate you so much, I think it must be true love, true love.
Go forward slowly, it's not a race to the end. Well, you look like yourself, but you're somebody else, only it ain't on the surface. Well, you talk like yourself, no, I hear someone else, so now you're making me nervous.
That's just what gangsters do. I'm fucked up.
Will you come play with me? Please. I don't want to be alone. We can play forever. And ever.
Harley Quinn, nice to meet ya. Love your perfume. What is that? The stench of death?
exciting family? An ordinary family? Who wants to be in an ordinary family? Hey, Anne.
How dare you speak to Lady Anne?
Whoa, what are you guys doing?
Guys, it's okay, she's my friend. I chose to be in a royal family. These guards have to protect me at all times.
Wow, that's so exciting.
Hey, babe.
Hey, Jake. I almost didn't recognize you. Where'd you get the new outfit?
I chose to be in a rich family. They have hella money.
Wow, lucky.
Did you choose your family yet?
No, I've already declined 2 families.
Giselle, you only get 3 chances to choose a family. If you decline all 3, something bad happens.
I didn't know that.
Well, you better accept the 3rd one you get.
Yeah, okay. Please be a good family. I don't want anything sketchy. A mafia family? That is the definition of sketchy. Please just be taller than me. My soulmate's 1'5". What, is he a gardener gnome? Mom, something horrible has happened.
What happened, honey?
My soulmate's 1'5".
Giselle, there are people that are dying. Go to school.
But...
Go to school.
Whatever.
Damn, why do you look so mad?
My soulmate's literally 1'5".
Aw, short king.
Can you stop it?
My soulmate's 5'7".
At least yours is normal.
Giselle, I've been thinking and you're not tall either.
Olivia, please. I'm 4'11". If he's not taller than me, he needs to grow up.
That's a little harsh.
Truth hurts, hun. Hi, I need to put in a complaint.
About what?
My soulmate, he's 1'5".
Oh dear, let me go check on that for you.
Thanks.
There's been a mistake. Your soulmate's actually 6'5".
You can only say words that start with S.
Stupid.
Sweetie, does this outfit look okay for my job interview?
Scary.
You think it looks scary? I worked so hard on it.
Sorry.
How do you think I should dress for my date?
Simple.
Something simple like this?
Slay.
Class, today you're gonna tell each other what you want to be when you grow up. Giselle, you can go first.
Shooter.
Excuse me?
Slut.
And that's a detention.
Shit.
So you're the girl with the questionable career choices.
Shut.
You're kinda cute.
Space.
Give me a kiss.
Smelly. Stop.
You can only say no.
No.
Honey, do you want some breakfast?
No.
But it's your favorite, chocolate chip pancakes.
No.
Are you okay? Should I call a doctor?
No.
Giselle, did you finish the assignment?
No.
Are you planning to finish it?
No.
And you just earned yourself detention.
No.
That's it. Go to the principal's office.
Giselle, do you have a date to prom yet?
No.
I heard Chad's gonna ask you.
No.
But I thought you were in love with Chad. Giselle, he's coming.
No, 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 no.
Hey, Giselle. Will you go to prom with me?
No.
Is that a yes or a no?
No.
Whatever, I'm out of here.
No.
Live like a swinging vine.
Swing my heart across the line.
In my face is flashing signs.
Seek it out and ye shall find.
Oh,
but I'm not that old.
young.
Young, but I'm not that old.
I don't think the world is so.
Come on, it has to be A class. That's what my whole family has. B class? I have to put this on private. Hey, Mom.
Giselle, you got A class, right?
Yeah, I got A class.
Why is it on private?
Oh, I just put it on private because I didn't want the other kids to feel bad.
Oh, that's my girl. Have fun at school.
Hey, guys.
Giselle, you got A class, right? We can't be friends with you if you got B.
Yeah, of course I got A.
Why aren't you showing it off then?
I just didn't want anyone else to feel bad. You know, B sucks.
Okay, whatever. Let's go. Giselle, I don't really believe you got A class.
What do you mean? Of course I got A.
Well, I heard they're setting everyone's public tomorrow.
They're what?
But since you're A, you don't have anything to worry about, right?
Right.
You can only say words that start with B.
Bro!
Good morning, honey.
Bitch?
Did you just call me a bitch?
Bingo!
Fine, you're grounded for a month. Go to school.
Bye.
Hey, Giselle, I think I want to cut my hair. What do you think I should do?
Buzz.
A buzz cut?
Butterfly.
Oh, the one that's trending on TikTok?
Bingo.
I think that'll look amazing, thank you.
Giselle, where's your homework?
Broken.
Could you not come up with a better excuse?
Buzzkill.
That's it. Get out of my classroom. Giselle, do you want to officially start dating?
Brother.
You only see me as a brother?
Blonde.
But I thought you liked brunettes. On second thought, this isn't gonna work out.
Bummer. My soulmate just turned 24. That means he's 3 years older than me. That's okay. I like older guys anyway. He graduated from college? I wonder what he's majoring in. He got his first job? Wow, sounds like he's really got his life together. He got a girlfriend? I mean, that's okay. We haven't even met each other yet. No way, he's meeting her parents? Must be pretty serious. What, he got engaged? But what about me? She's not even his soulmate.
Please help me. I don't want to get married.
Wait, what? Can you hear?
Thank you in advance. I don't wanna dance. I don't need your hands all over me. If I want a man, then I'ma get a man. But it's never my priority. I was in my zone before you came along. Don't want you to take this personal. Blah blah blah. I be like nah to the ah to the no no no. All my ladies listen up.
She was a bad bad, nevertheless. Crash at my place, baby, you're right.
Everyone, it's my birthday.